Hi guys, how are you? I hope you guys are all doing great. So in this video, first of all guys, Happy New Year. Happy New Year guys. I wish you guys all a wonderful new year. Have a happy new year guys. I hope you achieve everything you want to achieve, all your goals, your dreams, everything that you want to do. I hope you achieve it this year and that this is your year. I know guys, this is our year, okay? This is our year to make things happen. And yeah guys, so before I show you guys all the fun stuff and the things that's for the video, before I get started on that, I just wanted to of course show you guys and tell you guys my outfit. So guys, in this video I am doing my favorite, I'm sorry guys, I'm like dying to dig in. I'm so excited, but of course I have to eat it with you guys because then it won't be fun. I want to share with you guys the things that I love and my wild side, guys. You guys are about to see my wild side, okay? Not the little acai bowl and the little salads, and you're about to see my wild, spicy side. Okay. First of all, let me tell you guys, so my new year was amazing. Well, it was good. It wasn't amazing, it was good. I'm saying it's gonna be, good, it's a new year, so, but I'm just saying guys, it was good. I'm saying I just started working out again, so that is a great plus for me. I wanted to let you guys know, so today was either my 6th or 7th day of working out again, guys. I haven't worked out for 2 years. Oh my God, wonder why I was looking like a potato. But, so guys, I've been working out. Do you see a difference? So yeah guys, but yeah, I'm so happy and excited to work out again, guys. It's been feeling really good already. I feel the pounds dropping off, the quarantine weight. I know guys, so let me tell you, so when I had gained weight, guys, in quarantine, I didn't think I was gonna get so big. I thought I'm just eating and I would be fine, but that's how it gets you. That's how you gain weight. You don't think you're gonna gain weight so much. So that's what happened with me. I ate, during the quarantine, and then I just gained so much weight and I just did not work out. So I just started, and it's my 6th or 7th day was today. I felt really good. I'm already seeing a difference. It's coming off. It's probably gonna take me a couple months, maybe 4, I don't know how long, but maybe 4 to 6 months to kind of get slim me again. I think that's how long it'll take. But yeah, but of course guys, I'm gonna treat myself with you guys and show you guys all the treats I got, all the fun stuff. But guys, yeah, before I show you everything, I just want to let you guys know that sometimes guys, I just on my new year, I just got rid of well, it was one person, but that one person, guys, was such a waste of time. Guys, make sure you get rid of all your negative, anybody around you that's negative, toxic, waste of your time, waste of your energy. Ladies, any man that's not gonna do what he says and he just talks and talks and talks and doesn't do nothing, get rid of them. Get rid of them, ladies. Block them. There's a block button for a reason. It's very easy. Just block. It's so fun too. Just block them. They're not worth your time. If they can't put you as a top priority, then they're not worth your time. And yeah, guys, I blocked a person that was just a waste of my time. It was annoying to me. I'm the type of person, guys, I get annoyed. If you don't do what you say and you just talk out of your ass, it gets me disgusted. And it's just so annoying to me. But, so I blocked the person, and it felt so good to block that waste of time and energy. Oh my God. Yeah, guys, so he was just listen, he was a nice guy, guys. He was a nice guy, but he was just not, you know, what is the word? Not showing any effort, not doing anything. Okay, guys. Guys, I'm gonna calm down before I get mean, because when I get mean, oh my God, I don't wanna get mean. But, you know, guys, like, he was a nice guy, and we've known each other for a long time. I've talked to him for so long, we've talked for so long, but he was just didn't do nothing for me. I'm not the person to be played, okay, guys? Like, I'm the type of person, I'm not gonna fall for anybody's bullshit. I'm not gonna deal with anyone's bullshit. If you can't make your decisions and you can't think right, or you have problems, you're not for me. I like a person that takes action, does what they say they're gonna do, makes things happen, puts time. You know, you get all of me. You don't get a little bit. You're not even gonna get a little bit, because you don't give me your all. So you're gonna get nothing. And yeah, and it's just, oh my God, it's so annoying. I can't believe I didn't block this person like a long time ago. But, you know, I liked him. I liked him a lot, and I had feelings for him. But he was just, oh my God, just a problem. He was a problem. And, you know, I don't know if he's with someone now. I don't really care. But yeah, guys, so I blocked him. And yeah, so yeah, guys, I just wanted to tell you ladies, if there's a man like you're talking to or in your life or whatever, and he's not doing as like what he says he's gonna do, or he's not putting effort, or he's not making you happy, get rid of them. It's very easy. Block them. There's a block button there for a reason. Block, block, block. It's very simple. Yeah, and it's just, oh my God. Yeah, guys, so, but yeah, so, I don't know. What else I wanted to say? I want to make sure I don't forget the things I wanted to say. So, yeah, don't get me mad. Like, I'm the type of person, when I get mad and when I start not liking you, oh my God, it's done for you. It's over for you. I'm already mad, but I'm over it now. I blocked and I got happy. So, because he's gone. Out. So yeah, just, oh, I was so annoyed. I was getting annoyed, so I thought that is the day I want to block. It was on New Year's. So that was really fun. But yeah, guys, so yeah, I'm crazy. I am crazy. I get mad. I'm not gonna be nobody's side piece or take no one's bullshit. If anyone's gonna be played, it's gonna be you. Okay? I don't get played. And if there was a game to be played, I would win and you would lose. Okay? You lost. So that's how I am, guys. If anyone's gonna be a player, it's gonna be me. Okay? And yeah, you can't fool me. If you even lie to me, I'm gonna find out the truth. I find out everything. I'm like a detective. I find out everything. So that's that. And yeah, and just, oh my God. So I don't know, I'm thinking what else to say. Of course, guys, I really liked him, and so, but he's gotta go. He doesn't make me happy. He's gotta go. You don't make me happy and you don't give me what I want, you have to go. You're a flake. You're flaking out, and I don't know, you don't know what you want, or oh my God, I don't have time for that. I don't have time for it. And I'm still going on about this, guys. He was someone I knew, guys, before I started my channel, and a long time, like 5 years. So it's hard to let go and block and stuff, but I've given him many chances to make me happy and to follow through of what you're going to say. I'm not the type to wait for no one. I don't chase nobody. I'm the competition here, okay? But I don't chase no one. I don't waste my time. I don't have time to waste. That's that. So we're moved on from that. Guys, it's a new year, new you. For me, it's new year, new glasses. So, and new year is like my goal, getting back to myself. So, yeah, guys. And so, yeah, guys, that's why I was still like plump, is because I haven't been working out. But so I've started working out now. So, yeah, guys, and it feels so good, guys. Make sure you guys are getting your workouts in, you're exercising. It's really good for your body. It releases, what is the word, endorphins or something, and it makes you think better. It's good for your nerves and your body, and it's relaxing, and it's just really good for you to work out, take care of your body. Guys, eat healthy, make sure you're juicing, guys. Juicing is very important. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get ready to go and do our little party. So guys, I got all my favorite stuff, all Mexican stuff, okay? I am at heart Latina, guys. I'm telling you guys, in another world, I am Latina. Like, this is the food I can have every day. Everything I'm gonna show you guys is something I can have every single day. And I'm addicted to it. It's my weakness. I love Mexican snacks, chips, food, everything. So you guys are about to see it all. And yeah, guys, oh, I'm so excited. Yeah. So I look so cute, guys. Oh, I didn't tell you where I got my outfit. Okay. So guys, this is where I got my outfit. So the top, I don't remember where I got the top. I think it was a little store in the mall. And then on the bottom, I just have a pink little strapless to hold. And I have on these pink little ruffle pajama lounge joggers from Nordstrom's. So they're really comfortable. I have a black and a gray. So, oh my God, guys. Oh my God, I wear these when I had last saw him. Oh my God, it's crazy. Well, we're done, so. It's not my fault you make stupid decisions. It's not my fault, so. I'm doing what's best for me, so. Yeah, guys. Okay, so. Okay, guys, so we are going to get to our fun party. I'm so excited to eat. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, guys, so are you guys ready to party with me? Guys, we have everything. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm so hungry too. Oh my God, I've not eaten anything all day. I just came from a workout. So. Okay, guys, first let's pour our drink. Ah! Okay, we're gonna be litty tonight, guys. Lit party. Okay, this is I mean, it's Doritos, Jarritos. I'm sure it's Jarritos, okay? I don't know, guys, but I love it. So it's the Mandarin, Doritos, Jarritos, Jarritos. So we're gonna pour some first in our cup because we gotta get our drinks ready. This is a Bristol Farm glass I have. I got it when they gave me the juices in the glass. Horchata. Ooh! I've seen people say horchata, but I say horchata. So I'm gonna put some of that in here. Okay. Oh my God, I have neighbors now. There was nobody there and now there's neighbors, so they're gonna think I'm nuts. Oh my God, so good. This is my party, guys, and you're all invited. It's a Mexican snacks party. Chips at a Mexican restaurant that I love. I'm so excited. And this is the guacamole. It was green, guys. It got a little dark because I got it earlier today. It's now 9. So, it's so good. Oh my God, that's too much. I don't want to mess up my lipstick. Okay, so this is it, guys. I love chips and guacamole and chips and salsa, so this is it. Oh my God. I'm so excited, guys. Okay. Oh my God, so good. Oh my God. So delicious, so delicious. So good. I made carne asada, but I used sirloin, so I cut it up in little like bites, really tiny pieces. I don't have any carne asada seasoning, so I just put garlic herb, salt, pepper, and there was another thing, I forgot what it was, but just really simple seasonings that I have. That's our little garnish. Lime, cilantro, and green onion. And I made fresh pico de gallo. So, see guys, I put red onion. I know they use white onion, but I put red because that's all I had. But red is delicious too. I put red tomato, cilantro, green onion, lime juice, salt, oh my God, I forgot to do a thumbnail. What am I gonna do a thumbnail with? So that's that. That's the fresh pico de gallo I made. And I made, guys, fresh, but I didn't make them handmade or anything. Okay. This is a flour tortilla. So I made that fresh. Not made it fresh. I put it on the pan and toasted it. I got this from Whole Foods. I love this brand and I love this whenever I want to make Mexican burritos or the taco shell. I get the corn one of this brand and the flours for the burritos, Cabo Chip brand. And it's so good. It's cooked and ready to serve in less than a minute, made with coconut oil. Contains 10 tortillas. So let me show you guys how it is. This is how it is, see? It's flat and like a raw. Got, guys, some adobo salsa and salsa verde with avocado from Whole Foods. I love these. They're so good. I didn't want to wear this outfit. I've been looking for an outfit to wear. Like I wanted to do like a yellow floral, like off the shoulder like this, like a dress. Kind of have that like Latin inspired that I love, like this, and like a dress, yellow with flowers or like a red. And I couldn't find it. So this is the outfit I chose. Let's take a drink. Mission Street Taco to make carne asada taco. Oh, let me have some chips and salsa for you guys. So this is the salsa verde. I love salsa verde. So good. And this is the adobe salsa. It is so delicious from Whole Foods. Oh my God, it's so good. Chips and salsa and guacamole. It's my favorite thing. a straw. Got a straw, even though I like to drink it with ice, but I don't want to knock over my glasses. Okay guys, so let me show you guys. So this is my favorite chips. It's the Sabritones chili and lime. Oh my god. I love these. They changed the picture though. Oh my god. Take one, guys. I have so much stuff here. Have some. Oh my god. It's so good. You guys, take some. There's a lot here. So good. They're the Doritos Dynamite Chili Lemon or lemon. They're like Takis, but they're Dorito brand. It's so good. My fingers are gonna get red now. What's the secret, guys, to get your fingers like not like after it gets red? What do you do to make it not red? For it to come off. It's so hot. It's so good. I need a straw for the horchata. You have to have these with horchata because it's hot and that cools you down. So good. This is the mini Takis, the original Fuego. These are so good. Oh my god, guys. It's so good. It's so good. I love it so much, guys. So good. So this is the lemon glaze. These are my favorite. They're so good. So good, guys. So good. Why is it all crushed? They're all crushed though. It's so good. These are Quest chili lime, 20 grams of protein chips. So good. If you want like a very light, like chili lime style chips, so good. I have to do a thumbnail. No, this is a messy like thumbnail area. Actually, I could have had all the new chips behind me and then said my favorite Mexican snacks. But I just opened half of them. Flaming hot Cheetos. If I'm ever gonna have hot Cheetos, it has to be the lemon one, not any other kind. Look how red they are, guys. They're so red. So good. I used to love these as a kid. So good. Okay, I got the blue Takis, guys. I love the blue Takis. They're so good. They're like very lemony. They're so blue. I love it. It's so lemony. And these are tahini, chili and lime snack club corn nuts. I love these. These are so good. Guys, they're the most delicious corn nuts I've ever had. Guys, these are the new Takis Fuego. I guess they're sticks. They're the same Takis, but they're sticks. Oh my God. No. Yeah, no. Sorry, Takis. I love you, but these look like the you know, the sticks from the Chinese salads, the Panda, I don't know. You know how they're like cookie sticks or something? I don't remember what they are. They were good. But they're the Chinese sticks. Takis. Takis. Okay, this is a no for me. Okay. I thought they meant like sticks. Like, this doesn't even look like the picture. I thought it meant like sticks, like a thinner Takis. This is a damn noodle. Takis, I'm sorry. I love you, but this is a no. This ain't it. Okay guys, so this is the new 3 lollipop. I got this at the candy store with chili powder to dip. Takis lollipop. I'm curious to know what this tastes like. Like, what is this gonna taste like? I'm so curious to know. Very good. Oh, chili powder to dip. Wow, this is really good. It tastes like the this has, oh my God, it's so hot. It's chamoy lollipop with chili pepper powder. Oh my God. It's so good, so delicious. And it has chili pepper inside, chili pepper powder. And the lollipop is so cute, it looks like little Takis. It's so good. Let me try these ice bars, guys, before they melt. They've been sitting out. They are mango with tahini, ouch time. I never tried these before. These are so good. Mango with tahini. Oh, it's so cooling. Oh, good. These are the burritos Autobotus. Autobotus. Autobodatus. Okay. I don't know. Well, it's burritos Autobodatus. We don't know. I don't know how to pronounce that, guys. But I know it's really good. It's really good. You taste a little smoked in this. This horchata is so good. It's so good that I could finish the whole thing in like right now. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys the salt sauces, everything that I love. So this is the Tabasco. I love that. The green one, I got these. Tapatio. Cholula, the green one. Green pepper. I got this, guys. I've never had Red Hot and Valentina, guys. A lot of you guys told me to try Valentina, and I did for the first time like a couple months ago, and it's so good. But you guys told me that recently, but I had already tried it. It's so good. With the chips and stuff, oh my God. And then the original Cholula, the La Victoria. I love La Victoria. The red one too. Yeah. Already ate some. As you guys have been seeing in the whole time of this video is these micheladas. These cups are my favorite. I use them when I want to make myself a chelada drink, and I'll show you the cheladas I get. This is the cups, and I love that it has the spicy seasoning around it. It also comes with a little packet of extra of that spicy seasoning drink mix. It's the one to make a drink because we're getting wilds, guys. We're getting lit. I love, guys, of course, you know, I love, like, this is my wild side, which is beer. I love, like, the drinks, the beer, the chelada, the clamato, all that. And then there's my other side that likes the wine and champagne and the, you know. But this is the wild side where there's no limits. So good. And it comes with that little package. This is the side of me, guys, you've never seen. It's my wild side, so you're about to see it now. So, I have here the Cheladas, Modelo brand, and it's the Chelada, but I don't have that one. So my favorite, since I was little, like younger, well, since I was younger, yeah, not little, but, is this, guys, the lemon salt. This has been my favorite. Like, oh my God, when I found it again in the candy store, I was so excited. Now this is the chili one, which I've never had, is the chili lemon. I only had the original, like salt lemon salt. That's my favorite. Spicy seasoning Zumba hot. I've never had this one either, and I haven't had any of these that I'm about to try with you guys. So let's try this. This is like a, I don't know what this is. Hot pineapple jellies. I put it back because it's so fulfilling. Oh my God, it's so good, guys. These are pineapple jellies, but they're hot. It's so good. That is so good. If I could chew it, I would have eaten it by now. I don't want to suck on something this good. I want to eat it. This is my favorite, guys. This is the famous lollipop. I got the watermelon. This is so good, guys. This is the chili powder, like, watermelon. What is this? It's so good, but it's funny how it's on a straw. That was on a spoon and this is on a straw. It's so good. Why is it on a straw, guys? Do you guys know? Can you tell me? Is it because it goes in a drink? I think it goes in a drink. Oh my God, the Zumba hot powder. So good. So good. Oh my God, I love that. This one's just the chili. Oh yeah, this is delicious. The chili lemon. So good. I'm only used to the original lemon salt. Delicious. Okay guys, so we had all that. So, Okay, now the last thing we're gonna do now is make ourselves a burrito and a little mini taco. I don't have any remaining plates, so I have a foil here and I'm gonna put one. Oh, let's pick this one. This one's a little more crispier. And we're gonna make a little burrito. So, you guys could see, right? Okay. Put a little one scoop, little scoop. You guys want extra? You want a little bit more meat? Okay. Pico de gallo that I made. A little bit of that. Salsa verde on there, and a little adobe salsa. Can you guys see really clearly? Cilantro, oops, I spilled in a little lime. Okay, I don't know how to wrap a burrito. My little burrito. This is my little burrito, guys. And we're gonna make a little street taco. This is Mission corn tortilla. Corn tortilla. Look how cute it is. This one's broken though. Get a better one. Look how cute they are. They're so cute and tiny. I have to do. It's so tiny. It could fit like 4 pieces of meat. See how tiny that is, guys? So this is a little street taco. We have our meat and some pico de gallo. Put lime on there too. Okay guys, so let's take a bite. Really good, but it fell apart. Oh my god, guys, it was so good. Now we're gonna have our burrito. We have steak, pico de gallo, cilantro, salsa verde, salsa. I don't know how to wrap a burrito, guys. That's the only thing I don't know how to do. Looks like a little hot pocket. Okay, guys. This is so good. Mmm. So good, guys. Oh my god. So good, guys. So yeah, guys, so yeah, carne asada burrito is just always something that my mom always got me when I was little from a restaurant. She would always get me a carne asada burrito, so I love carne asada burritos and carne asada tacos and all the snacks. I'm so happy I got to show them to you guys, all the Mexican snacks that I love. They're my favorite. And yeah, guys, they are my weaknesses. Mexican food and Mexican snacks are my weaknesses. So, okay, so let's... So, I hope you guys have a wonderful new year, a happy, healthy one, and everything goes great for you. So, yeah, this is my horchata. So yeah, I wanted to let you guys know that this is, I already know, like, it is a new year and I have not been active 2020 and 2021. And I'm so sorry guys for that. I, the vlogs for you guys and do covers. I miss doing covers for you guys. I haven't done that. I've had a couple of you on Snapchat message me and say, where are the covers? Like, you used to do covers. Yes, guys, I love singing for you guys, doing covers. And so I'll be doing that in vlogs and more like a beauty stuff and everything. So yeah, guys, so stay tuned for all of that. And guys, don't come for me, okay? Saying that the reason I look like a potato is because I'm eating. Because the last Christmas special video, I get messages and say, wonder why you look like a potato, because look what you're eating. I don't eat like that every day. That is a special for you guys, a Christmas special. And then I do Valentine's special, or I do, holiday special and Halloween special. And this is Mexican, my favorite snack. So things I do for you guys. I don't eat like this every day. I have smoothies and salads and very, very healthy, clean eating. So for the ones that call me a potato because I ate all those, no, I became a potato in quarantine, okay? Because I was eating like that every day. So, and I stayed a potato because if you don't work out, it's not gonna melt and go away. So that's why I started working out, and I'm very happy I'm starting my workout again. So yeah, guys, so make sure you guys are taking care of your workout routine, your everything routine, your beauty routine, your sleeping schedule, your any routine you have. Yeah, so yeah, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for loving me, supporting me, being there for me, and everything. So yeah, guys, and for the silent viewers, come on out, guys, comment, okay? Show me love and support. It means a lot. Don't be shy. Don't be silent because you're shy now. I will see you in the next video. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, my TikTok, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe. And yeah, and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video.